Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gold on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here click on Get Gold option. On this page, you can see certain amount of gold with certain amount of money. Let's say I wanna buy 2000 gold, then I'll have to tap on 2000 option. Then on this pop-up menu, tap on Add Credit or Debit Card option. Then you'll come across this page where you'll have to enter your card information. I cannot record that page because of certain privacy reasons. So all you have to do in that page is enter your card details and proceed. Then enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out. Then your hi5 account will be automatically added with 2000 gold. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.